Hi there. Today we're checking out the Howzone 36-inch garage shelving, designed to provide sturdy and reliable storage for your garage. This heavy-duty shelving unit is perfect for organizing tools, boxes, and other items, helping you keep your space neat and accessible. Made with durable materials, it supports substantial weight, making it ideal for both light and heavy storage needs. Its height and design allow for easy access without taking up too much floor space. Installation is straightforward, so you can set it up quickly and start using it right away. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just need extra storage, this shelving unit offers excellent functionality and strength. Stay organized and maximize your garage space with the Howzone 36-inch garage shelving. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.